What's up guys, I'm Marian Elise and welcome back to my channel. So today, y'all, I have another video for y'all. I am coming hard this week. I'm coming hard this week because these wigs are beautiful, okay? I'm gonna just go ahead and say that before we even say anything else. Look at me. Look at me. Today, I am bringing you day 3 of my WIG-Mas. If you don't know, or you know, if you're not familiar with the decoration yet because you haven't been keeping up, I am doing a WIG-Mas week. Yes, you heard that right. I'm doing 5 days of WIG-Mas, which means I will be doing a wig every day this week. And the best part about it is that they are all affordable wigs under $50, okay? So yeah, all of the wigs this week that I'll be showing you guys are synthetic wigs that are under $50 because I do review a lot of human hair wigs that are, you know, more on the pricey side. So I got y'all covered for y'all who want to switch it up every day like me and, you know, but don't want to pay the price for it. I picked out all of these wigs by myself because I was just looking for wigs that I've never tried before or was interested in, like this one on my head right now. I've never had red before. I've never had like a burgundy red color before. So this was amazing. But anywho, yes, today is day 3. So that means day 1 and day 2 is already out, so you should go watch those after you finish watching this one. But first, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because if you haven't, then what are you waiting for? I mean, y'all see the hair. Let's just, y'all see it? Do y'all see it? Okay. And if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for watching another video. You are loved. But that's all I had to say. I just wanted to introduce my WIG-Mas week once again, just in case you're watching them out of order. And yeah, so let's just hop straight into the video. Hey guys, we're back at it again with day 3 to the Christmas WIG-Mas week. Okay, today we are reviewing this beautiful sensational Empress lace wig, and her name is Trissa. So here's Trissa in her package, beautiful and gorgeous green. Yes, okay. So Trissa is supposed to be a natural center part front lace wig, and it comes in a variety of colors. So the color I will be reviewing today is Burgundy Wine. Here is the wig straight out of the package. Of course, y'all know it comes in the net and the paper and all that good stuff. But here it is, here it is, here it is. I've never had a burgundy red color before, so I was, you know, new to this. I was scared. It was the perfect blend of like burgundy and red because I didn't want it to be too light. But it turned out to be just right. So yay. So here's the wig fully out. As you can see, it kind of resembles that wave that I'm wearing in my hair right now. As y'all can see, I like wavy hair. But here's an up close look at the wig. It is full from top to bottom, I will say that. So first we're going to look at this lace. It is a natural center part like I mentioned before, and honestly the parting was not bad. I wasn't upset. I was like, okay, that's not bad. It looks really good. All you have to do, you can do a little plucking if you want to, but in this video I won't be doing any plucking. So yay for you, yay for me. I really like to make the process super simple for y'all because everybody is not good at everything, okay? Okay. Trust me, I understand. So with this lace, it was almost the same type of lace, the same color as the wig, okay? I was like, whoa, this lace is kind of matching my wig. And honestly, I'm going to show y'all what happened. But I wasn't upset. As long as it wasn't too light, we could work with it. It's fine. The wig cap looks super stretchy. It came with 3 combs and adjustable straps. So yeah. So before I get into trying on Trissa, I'm going to talk about this wig that I'm wearing in my head right now. Y'all guess what wig this is? I bet y'all can't even guess. Because guess what? It's day 1's WIG-Mas video hair lady. So like I mentioned before, I am doing a WIG-Mas week on my channel, and this was my day 1 wig, okay? Day 1 making a return, making a comeback on day 3. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it down below so you can check that out right after this one. So if you watch my videos, you already know the next step is to put on that wig cap and put makeup on your lace. I went ahead and cut it, and I went ahead and just put makeup on it. It only took me like 5 seconds, okay? 5 seconds, maybe 1 minute, all right? You know, what's the difference? So I just popped the wig on. I do that in most of my videos, so y'all can go watch them and, you know, watch the process, but it's simple. So putting the wig on, I was like, oh my goodness, I have burgundy hair, finally. The wig fit very snug. It was very comfortable, but I will say there is a catch with it being so snug. But first we're going to talk about the lace. So y'all, because the wig is burgundy, I feel like my lace, when I put my powder on there, it was kind of burgundy as well, and so putting my powder on it only enhanced the color even more. So I want to say be mindful when you do choose whatever makeup you decide to use on your lace, because color and color is just gonna make more color, and I did not, you know, realize that. I would have used a different color powder in my part, because the normal powder that I used on all of my other wigs came off orange because of the color of this wig. So, you know, keep that in mind if you decide to get this color, but there are a variety of colors. So after this video, I did, you know, put more powder on the top to kind of make it a little, you know, blend a little better. But now we're going to talk about the hair texture. So I've had super soft synthetic hair, and this hair is like in the middle between more coarse and soft. So it is not like hard to work with. You can run your fingers through it. It does shed, but you will get it caught up a few times, okay? Because it is curly and it's synthetic hair. It's $23. So it will tangle up a bit. But I did hear from some other reviews that different colors feel different in this wig. So if you get a black one, it might be softer than mine. So to me, the curls do come really separated. So of course I had to get my brush to brush it all out and, you know, fluff it out. Because if you look on the left, it looks really, you know, it's cute, but it's just like curl. I just want it to be one curl. So I like to brush my hair into one form, and it brushed out really nicely. I didn't want to brush it too much because I wasn't wearing it this day. But y'all, one thing I really like about this wig is that the curls actually stayed in their form. I have had wigs that don't stay, and as soon as you brush it or as soon as you touch it, the curls just go away. So that is one of the reasons why I think this wig tangles a lot easier, is because the curls actually stay together. So when you have curly synthetic or wavy synthetic hair, it will, you know, be a little more tangly. As far as the length of this hair, I feel like it was maybe 22, 24 on me. So that is that. And y'all, the only other thing I was kind of concerned about was the top of the wig. As you can see, it's a little humpy up there by the part. But this wig is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So of course you can use your flat iron, your hot comb, and, you know, bump that down a little bit more. And also, like I said, the wig does fit, but my edges, I have a low hairline. Yes, I do. So my hair usually sticks out of wigs. This is not out of the ordinary for me, because if I really wanted to wear this wig, I could still just lay down my own baby hairs and it would work. But lastly, I do have one more concern about this cap size. So here is the back of the wig. This is my concern. Y'all see those white spaces? That is my wig cap showing. So I would recommend you to wear a black wig cap, because it pokes through and it shows, and that's not cute. That is not cute. I did not even know until I turned around. So like I said, I don't feel like the wig fit really tight on me, but I do feel like because it does stretch, it kind of gives you that feel that it's on there, but because it stretches, you have holes in it. So maybe it's the construction of the wig and how they layered the hair. I don't know, I'm not sure, but that's how it looks. So black cap can help you solve that problem. Or, of course, my hair wasn't braided down, so if your hair is braided down and you slick it down a lot better than I did, then you should be fine, because it'll fit even better. I forgot to mention this at the beginning of the video, but I did buy this wig from wigtypes.com. I always use either WigType, SamsBeauty, or Amazon, so I'll leave the links down below so you can get this wig yourself. Overall, I really enjoyed this wig, y'all. I don't have anything super bad to say about it. I love this wig just as much as my other wigs I've done this week. And I hope you guys enjoyed it too. This is such a cute on-the-go wig, easy to work with, it's very popular, and it's been out for a while. So it's, you know, nothing new, just a oldie but a goodie. I would recommend this wig as well as the other wigs that I'm doing for this week, so don't forget to go check those out. All of the videos from this week will be listed in the description box below, so you can check those out, watch them, share them, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!